Hello, this is the technical support team, and in this video, we will talk about a feature that enables you to open the 3ds page in an iframe. This feature enables you to keep the customers on your checkout page during the whole process of the payment. This is available for embedded payment of card view, tokenized embedded payment, and direct payment. In this flow, you have full control over the design of the display of the iframe and the flow after the customer enters his OTP. The requirements to do this is the following. First, add the following to the payment URL received in the embedded payment flow and tokenized flow, or the payment URL received in the direct payment flow. Second step is to create the iframe on your website. The design and creation of the iframe will be done from your side. You will open the resulting URL after completing the first step inside the iframe. Please note that in this case, you will need to handle the iframe fully, where it is your responsibility to open the iframe, open the payment URL in it, handle the cancellation of the payment through the iframe, handle the refreshing of the page, and going back and forth through your website. The third step would be to get the redirection URL after the customer completes the OTP step. You will need to use an event listener to get the redirection URL after the customer completes the 3ds step. The event listener needs to be added to the page in a JavaScript section on which you will open the iframe. The name of the sender of the message will be exactly as follows: mf-3dsecure. The redirection URL will be the callback URL or the error URL that you sent initially to execute payment, appended to it the payment ID. This is the format of the redirection URL. To retrieve the redirection URL, please use the code snippet here. After retrieving the redirection URL, you have multiple options for the next action. You can either open the redirection URL in the iframe, close the iframe and display the status of the transaction on your website directly, or redirect the customer fully to the redirection URL. Please note that you will need to create a method to call execute payment for the OTP to open in an iframe. All the sample codes that we have used so far can be seen in our documentation. So you go to the card view section and you go down below to the section that is called Open the OTP page in an iframe, and you will find all the sample codes. And for the sample code for the execute payment method, you go to the sample code under the embedded payment, and then you scroll down till you find the create execute payment method for the OTP to appear in an iframe. And you will find here the sample code for the execute payment method. Now in the upcoming section, we will make a quick tutorial over how the payment flow will look like when you open the OTP in your iframe. So this is the normal card view that we have seen before in our previous video, and this is supposed to be your checkout page. And now the customer will fill in his card information on your checkout page, and he will click on Pay Now. So now you want to open the OTP page in an iframe on your checkout page. So this is the OTP simulator in the demo environment. If this is a live account, this will be the actual OTP page. And then the customer will enter his OTP and click on Submit. And in my flow here, I'm redirecting the customer to the result page after the payment is complete. Thank you for watching this video guide on how to open the OTP page in an iframe. Hope this makes the integration with MyFatoorah easier and a more seamless process for the payment for your customers.